Hey, everyone! Today, I'm going to share some essential hygiene hacks that every woman should know. Whether you're at home, traveling, or just living your busy life, these tips will help you stay fresh and confident. First up, let's talk about oral hygiene. Good oral care is more than just brushing twice a day. Make sure you floss daily to remove food particles and plaque from between your teeth. And don't forget about your tongue. Use a tongue scraper or your toothbrush to clean your tongue and keep your breath fresh. Next, let's move to skincare. Maintaining healthy skin is all about consistency. Cleanse your face twice daily with a gentle cleanser that's suitable for your skin type. Follow it up with a toner to balance your skin's pH and a moisturizer to keep it hydrated. And of course, never skip sunscreen. UV rays can damage your skin even on cloudy days, so SPF is a must every single day. Now, let's talk about intimate hygiene. It's important to wear breathable, cotton underwear to prevent infections. Avoid using scented products down there, as they can disrupt your natural pH balance. Instead, opt for mild, fragrance-free products. And remember to change your sanitary products regularly to maintain hygiene. Moving on to hair care. Washing your hair too frequently can strip it of natural oils, so find a routine that works best for your hair type. Use a wide-tooth comb to detangle wet hair and minimize breakage. And try to avoid using heat styling tools too often. Let your hair air dry whenever possible. Last but not least, let's discuss hand hygiene. Proper hand washing is crucial, especially after being in public places. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap and water. And when you don't have access to soap and water, use a hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. So, there you have it. These simple hygiene hacks will keep you feeling fresh, clean, and confident every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.